Hello, today we're going to do a review on Stranger Things tarot cards. Let's see. No, I have not seen the TV show Stranger Things, but I did grow up in the right year. I was the right age of the people on the show, and I did have some of the clothes that they wear on the show. Certain t-shirt that they wear, I actually have that. Alright, Stranger Things. And I did buy one season DVD at a thrift shop that I have not watched it yet. Alright, let's see what they got here. I'm always weirded out when I open a box and it's wrapped in cellophane, and then I open the box and then the cards are just loose. I feel like they should have like another level of plastic, but I don't know. Maybe that's a bad idea. All right, so the cards are made to look worn, even if they're not. There's a word for that. Deconstructed. So like up in the corner, do you see how it's torn? That's fake. It's on the back, you can see it's perfect. And they do a good job of making it look worn. So that's pretty cool. Ace of Strands. Okay, so I don't know why they would pick that because I haven't seen the show, but Strands is a suit. They also are using Roman numerals instead of numbers. That's not unusual. Instead of Arabic numbers. And that's no problem because I know all of the Roman numerals up to 1,000. All right, Page of Strands. All right, so this is a RWS clone. The minor arcana are all different. They don't have the suit plus a number, all individual. All right, then scoops, that's probably cups. So the second suit is scoops, and they're all ice cream related, which I don't like ice cream that much. Okay, Knight of Scoops, King of Scoops, 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 and then dice. So that's probably coins. Ace of Scoops. And all the cards are pretty cool looking. I do like them. The artwork is good. I like the torn, the faux damage is kind of cool because sometimes faux damage looks fake, and this actually, you would think that it was worn. When I was a kid, I had a book called Things to Do, and you would take paper and you'd paint it with water and I think lemon juice, and then you'd put it in the oven, and then it would look like, and then you could write a treasure map, and it would look like brown singed treasure map paper. I used to always do that. Bake paper in the oven to make treasure maps. That's what this reminds me of. All right. And then I had this vest. I had almost exactly that same vest. Should get the picture out. All right. So just more dice, and then spokes. So spokes, maybe spokes are the coins. Scoops, dice would be, I don't know. Are spokes knives? Stabs? I don't know. I'd have to look through them, figure it out. If anybody knows, let me know. Spokes, 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 spokes. Page of Spokes, Knight of Spokes. The Fool? I don't know. I think they could have done a better job with the Fool. Magician, kind of basic. It might mean more to me once I see the series. The High Priestess. Kind of looks like Anakin Skywalker, I don't know. The Empress. Emperor. The Hierophant. The Lovers. I'd like to find a deck with the original. It used to be Lover, plural, in the old decks. They changed it to Lovers. I'd like to find at least one deck that had that. The Chariot. And it's only one car. And I don't see anything pulling it. So that's... Strength is number 8. So there we go. That's a RWS clone. That's how you know. Because they RWS switched Strength and Justice so that Strength could be number 8, the 8th month, Leo, because he wanted a lion on Strength. So he changed the numbers around. So, you know, this is a RWS clone and not a Marseille deck. Hermit. Wheel of Fortune. On a bagel. Justice. Number 11. The Hanged Man. And he's levitating or being levitated in some sort of vortex energy field. I like to look at the Hanged Man upside down and see what it looks like whenever I come across a new deck. So, it's kind of generic. Death. I wonder if these are all scenes from the series or if they're just characters repositioned. Temperance. The Devil. With 4 people, that's interesting. The Tower. The Star. I think I had that shirt. The Moon. The Sun. Judgment. And the World. I don't know, I think this is, if you like the show, I think this would be a good deck. If you don't like the show, or if you haven't seen the show, I don't like the deck because I think that there isn't a lot of meaning in the pictures. It was just, they slapped some actors on the card. But if I saw the show, it might mean more. And that's what the back is. Like, all right, thanks for watching.